Hi YouTube, this is another nighttime skincare routine. I was in such a hurry today that I washed my face already. I had makeup on and I washed my face already and I forgot to film it, so apologies. Right now I have nothing on my face. I have a lot of redness here, that goes sort of in this direction, and then a little bit here. As always, I have loss of hair in my eyebrows, hyper and hypopigmentation, and that's what we're working with. I'm gonna start off with my Hylamide SubQ skin for my eyes. Lab Muffin Beauty Science talked about not letting the dropper touch the skin, and I find that, I do believe that bacteria gets deposited there and grows if you let it sit, but I have such a hard time following her advice, so I always try, but every once in a while I mess it up and I let the dropper touch my skin. Next, copper peptides for my eyebrows. 1, 2, 3. That's it. And I'm gonna massage it. Take the rest to the other eyebrow. I'm gonna go on with Bifida. That also helps with redness. Next, I'm going to go with Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. My next step is going to be sort of different. I'm going to combine some glycerin, some colloidal oatmeal, and my Acure's Rejuvenating Night Moisturizer to kind of make a small concoction on my palms and apply that on my skin. So I'm taking the Acure night cream. Just that much. Some glycerin. Three drops of glycerin. A few sprinkles of colloidal oatmeal. Just that much of colloidal oatmeal. Next, while I let this kind of settle, I'm going to put some Finacea on my forehead. So it's taking a lot longer than I expected for this to settle. So hopefully it does, and that will be all for my nighttime skincare routine. I am keeping it simple today just because I am starting to grow a bit impatient about my redness situation. I am not able to subside it. Maybe I am using something that's very irritating, and maybe I'm washing my face too frequently. Maybe, I'm just not able to figure it out, and I do want to calm down the situation as quickly as possible. And I think I need to just calm down basically and stop trying to do different things. So let's hope by the end of this week I can restore the skin situation. Thanks so much for watching. If you have questions for me, please leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like and share this with a friend. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.